Hi everybody, it's Julie and I have another little information on the Spring Blossoms kit. So one of the things that you will be receiving in the kit is, or two of them, is water embossed pages. So you're going to get the Queen Anne's lace with the butterfly and the charger plate on the pink slate paper. And this is done strictly with water. And the reason I did that is because I want to be able to put pictures into this book. And so the idea being that while I was doing this, I would go ahead and do kits. So this is how I emboss, water emboss. So I have boiled water in my teapot. And the reason I do that is because then I can do a second set without waiting. And I'm not wasting water waiting for my water to come out because it's cold here. And water comes out cold. It takes forever for the hot to come. So I'm just going to go around the edge. I did see these charger plates. They are painted at Michael's. And they're like in the Easter section. And they were pink and blue, and I think they'd be okay. So there's still some water here, and I'm going to steal some of that water and bring it over here to just help me get in and to break the paper so that we get the embossed image. So I don't know if you can see that. It's starting to come up. We're getting the embossed image. So I'm going to come over to this side, and you'll see there's a ring of like beads going around the edge, and so I do that separately. I just go along, make sure I get that. Okay, with this one, because you are on a round piece and because of this dip in the center, sometimes you will get wrinkles. So some of yours that come in the kits may have wrinkles, and that's just how it goes, and it just becomes part of it. So again, I have chosen, I will not be coffee dyeing any of the items in this kit. However, you are welcome to do that. Like I said, I want to put pictures in this book that I'm going to make with this kit. And also, the main piece that you'll be seeing pretty soon that I bought that was the whole inspiration for this kit is a white background and white daisies. So it just is going to look so much better in a book that is not coffee dyed. Of course, you can coffee dye that particular item as well. And in one of the part of the series, I may do that. So I let this go ahead and dry. Sometimes I let it dry on the plate, but it is ready. You can pull this up if you have a separate place where you're able to dry the paper. This can be pulled up now. And I mean, basically it is as embossed as it's going to get. And so you can do that and set it aside. So again, the pieces that, let's put this somewhere where water in the craft room. You're going to be getting in the kit, you're going to get one of these and one of these. I did not do the words like I do sometimes because when I was doing this, this paper started pilling. It was pulping. So, and we don't want that. So, so I left it like this. It gives us a space to put something that you would want to put there. You could put a picture there. You'll be able to put a poem or a saying. And we'll see what we actually do. So this is from a wall plaque that I have. I did the same thing. I wetted the paper and I went on and I embossed it. I just moved my hands around and try and pick up all the details that I can. Look at, there's even one of the flowers has started to bloom in there. And you can see all the veins going out. So, so I love that. Some of the other items you'll be receiving in your kit, you're going to get some blossoms and some paper clips This is a little piece of pearl, but that's just because I was getting ready to make a project. But you're going to be getting a piece of the pearls. You're going to get one of these flags, one of these papers, one of these. You'll see a theme here. It's kind of blossomy and pink and blue and yellow. So these are some of the papers so far that you're going to receive in your kit. You're going to get 2 of these. And I think you get 2 of these, but I'm not positive. It might be just 1. So, and then of course you're going to get that. And the napkin. There. And you're going to get some of this, but I don't know how much yet. And you're going to get your piece of wire to do the love. So, and so much more. You get everything to do the love. You're going to get the wire for the love, and you're going to get everything to do the little pocket that we did. Okay, so you're going to get all the stuff to do this. Okay, except for the Mod Podge. So, there we go. That's what we got so far, and I've only gone through one of the small boxes of what I'm collecting. So, on to the next ones. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you can go do some water embossing. You can do this also with the coffee dyed. You just do it the same. You put it in your coffee dyed paper, turn it over, make sure the entire sheet is wet, and then transfer it onto the item that you are embossing on. Okay, the item that you're embossing on, and then press it down so that you get the embossed image coming into the paper, and then set it aside and let it dry. So there you go. More of the Spring Blossom Kit, and even more coming soon. Have a great day. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Have an amazing day. Bye.